We live in a world of more applications and more data that need to go to more places more quickly. As a Mule user, you know meeting those demands has made application integration harder. In response, application integration needs to evolve from centralized and monolithic to decentralized, from tightly to loosely coupled, from batches sent nightly to real-time data. Events accelerate that evolution as crucial counterparts to synchronous APIs. Rather than constantly requesting new updates, producers send out events whenever a business moment occurs, like a customer buying the last bag of coffee beans. Many other enterprise components would be interested in that event. We call them consumers. Systems like vendor management, sales analytics, and logistics routing could all be affected by a coffee shortage. Connecting producers and consumers is an event mesh, which seamlessly routes events to any number of components, no matter where or how they are deployed. A hybrid approach blends events and APIs in whatever mixture, whatever makes sense, to create business solutions. In the past, adopting a hybrid approach was difficult because the tools and processes for events weren't as mature as those for traditional APIs. That's different now. Combining the power of MuleSoft and Solace takes the familiar MuleSoft API-led lifecycle and developer-friendly tooling and adapts it to event-led integration, and backs it with best-in-breed tooling and an event mesh trusted by major clients around the world. Let's see how you could start adopting a hybrid architecture blending events and APIs. For example, with the coffee shop we mentioned before, the event-led lifecycle starts in the Solace Event Portal. Event Portal brings together all the events and event-led interfaces available within your enterprise. An architect can create a new event-led interface by leveraging existing events, or maybe designing a new event, complete with schema. In our example, it would make sense for the order management system to send out notifications of new orders, so let's add that to the interface. As it evolves, the interface can be versioned and, when ready, moved into released state. Of course, once the architect defines the event-led interface, a developer needs to implement the interface as a Mule process and add business logic. For that, the developer uses Anypoint Studio, just like a synchronous API. To ensure that the process matches the interface, Event Portal plugs directly into Anypoint Studio. The developer can browse through available event-led interfaces and with a simple right-click, generate scaffolded code. It's like using Exchange and API Kit, but for events. Using the interface designed in Event Portal, the scaffolded code automates connecting to the right event mesh location, validating incoming and outgoing data against the event schema, and generating a routing topic based off payload fields. That frees the developer to focus on business logic like data transformations and enrichments, and also increases the spread of best practices and code standardization. Once the developer is satisfied with the implementation, it's time to commit the Mule project to a source control repository, usually something like GitHub. Fortunately, Anypoint Studio integrates directly with GitHub, so everything can be done from there. You can leverage the same GitHub processes and approvals your teams use for API-led integration. As the Mule project moves to a new environment, Event Portal automatically creates the needed configuration on the event mesh and makes sure that applications receive only the events they are entitled to, no more. You can imagine how nice that is during security audits. And to aid troubleshooting should something go wrong, Event Portal visualizes how events create relationships between Mule processes in each environment, similar to Anypoint Visualizer. The combination of Solace and MuleSoft harnesses the power of events and APIs using best-in-breed developer tooling, processes, and runtimes. To learn more, reach out using the contact form below or review our customer success stories.